welcome to beautiful Sedona, Arizona. So Anne and I are here for a week and we have a bunch of trails we're gonna go hike. Today we're going to Devil's Bridge. Anne, aventura, Sedona, Arizona. ¿Se gusta?
Yes, muy bonito.
Sedona, the drive-in was so captivating. I mean, we almost probably had a couple of wrecks just because I'm gawking at all the incredible terrain. The red rock is just beautiful.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the Tahoe closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
Alright, we're making our way back now from Devil's Bridge back to the parking lot where we kind of started from.
Stop this gravity, it keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity?
Nee, você gosta Cathedral Rock? So we made it as far as we're gonna go, at least here at Cathedral Rock. Oh yeah, another day in Sedona, another hiking trail adventure. Okay, today's adventure in Sedona is the Bell Rock. So we're going to the Bell Rock via the Bell Rock Trail. See if we can get a little shot of it in the background here. As we come around these trees, look at that. It's a short trail with a high payoff. All right, so the little Brazilian whirlwind just decided that the regular trail was too tame for her. So now we're doing this scramble, going up to Bell Rock. We are now at the base of Bell Rock, which you can see towering here in the background. And then its cousin or brother, what do you call it over here? That's called the courthouse. It's really dramatic scenery here, and you got a beautiful view out over the Sedona Valley. This place is just next level cool. on a vloggy. Making our way out to Horseshoe Bend, right along the Colorado River, here in northern Arizona. I already see a lot of people staged on the rim of the canyon down there. Yes, I just said rim. Here. Okay, we're making our way to get our first glimpse of Horseshoe Bend. This is tricky terrain, so. Oh my God. Holy crap, look at that.